Hey friends! Today we're going to be learning about abstract painting. We're going to be using shapes, geometric, organic. We're going to be using watercolors, and I'm going to show you the difference between saturated color and desaturated color. We're going to use this to make an abstract painting. So come on. First, create the border. Measure 1/2 centimeter from each edge. Draw a straight line between the measurements. Number 2, draw your first shapes. When you have drawn them all, label each shape with the number 1. Here I'm drawing circles. Now I'm labeling them number 1. Now we're going to draw the second shape. This shape is behind the first shape, and label this behind shape with a 2. And finally, we're going to draw the third shape, and this shape is behind the circle and the square, and then we're going to label it with the number 3. It's time to paint. The first thing we're going to do is use a big brush and paint to the border with water only. We're going to add just a little bit of color, and we're going to paint over all of the water. What we're left with is a very light wash. You're going to want to let this dry completely. Sometimes I get in a hurry and I use either a heat gun or a hair dryer. Now we're going to use a smaller brush, and we're going to paint the second shape. This is where you can really start to see the magic. See, as I paint those shapes that are typically behind the first shape, we can really start to see some of that negative painting effect that we've been working on. Again, let this dry completely. You can tell it's dry when it no longer feels cold. Now we're going to paint the third shape. It should be slightly darker than the second shape, but wow, see how it's beginning to come together? Once again, we're going to let that dry completely, and then we're going to paint the background. It should be slightly darker than the third shape. Mine looks really dark here. I think I was just getting tired, but be careful. Using this dark paint, you can cover up mistakes that you've made. And also any new mistakes that you make might be more visible. But look, we did it! Alright friends, now that you have the knowledge, you're going to go out there and you will be unstoppable in your abstract painting skills. I cannot wait to see what you will create next. Bye.